So, what do you think? How do we tackle this problem? We do lowest common denominator, very good. What would that be? 5, 3, 6, and 3. What would be the lowest common denominator? 30. Very good. Now 30. Okay, so now let's say if we didn't have these denominators, do you think that would have been an easier problem? Somewhat, right? Because you have y minus 2, y plus 1, and then you can bring all the y's together and so forth, right? Would have been simpler. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Since we've already determined what's the lowest common denominator in this case going to be? 30. We'll multiply this entire equation with 30. So we can get rid of all the fractions, right? So we're going to multiply this entire equation with 30, which is our lowest common denominator, right? Why do you want to do that? So we can get rid of all the fractions. And then it becomes a simpler problem to tackle. Okay, so here's my question. If I take 30, multiply by y over 5. So 5 is going to go 30 how many times? 6. And 6 will multiply the numerator, so it's going to become 6y. No more denominator, right? Okay. Minus 3 is going to go 30 how many times? 10. 10 will multiply with 2, so it's going to become 20. Equal to 6 will go into 30 how many times? 5. And the 5 will multiply the top numerator with y, so it's going to become 5y. Plus 3 is going to go 30 how many times? 10. And 10 will multiply with 1, so it's going to be 10. So right from the one step to the second step, we no longer have any denominators, right? And now it's just a matter of solving for y in this case. So what should we do in order to solve for y? Isolate the y all together on one side, right? And then bring all the other non-isolate terms. Yeah, combine like terms, right? Very good. So why don't we just go ahead and subtract 5y from the right side, right? So since we're subtracting 5y, we have to also subtract on the other side of the equation as well. So 6y minus 5y? Negative 20. This is gone, equal to 10. What should we do next?
Add 20.
No, add 20, right? So the result would be y equal to 30.